Hey guys, this is Dior Shala here. That's my flip phone collection as of February 2026. I have 4 of them. So let's begin. So first, here's my Samsung SGH T219 on T-Mobile. This one works. Second, here's my LG U8330 on 3. This works. Next up we have Doraphone EZ624. Works perfectly fine. Here is the Emporia Connect. Works perfectly. And yeah. So now let's unlock the phones. So that's my flip phone collection as of February 2026. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you wanted. Yeah. Peace out.